Exoplanet with iron rain and violent winds, a science fiction reality in a distant corner of the universe. An exoplanet exists that feels straight out of a science fiction novel, but this bizarre world is very real. It is known as WASP-76b, and it's one of the most extreme exoplanets ever discovered. With conditions so intense that they seem impossible, this strange world features violent winds and iron rain, two of the most remarkable characteristics scientists have ever observed on a planet outside our solar system. Iron rain on a scorched exoplanet. WASP-76b is a hot Jupiter, a type of exoplanet that is similar in size to Jupiter but orbits very close to its star. This extreme proximity means the planet is exposed to temperatures that can soar above to 400 degrees Celsius for 352 degrees Fahrenheit, hot enough to vaporize metals, including iron. Scientists believe the high temperatures combined with the unique atmospheric conditions create an environment where iron vaporizes and then condenses into liquid iron droplets, creating iron rain. The planet's proximity to its star, WASP-76, gives it an extremely high temperature, causing the atmospheric pressure to be dramatically different on the day side compared to the night side. On the day side, the temperature is scorching enough for metals to vaporize, while on the night side, temperatures plummet enough for these vapors to condense into liquid droplets, creating rainstorms made of iron. These rains aren't the gentle showers one might imagine on Earth. Instead, they would be far more violent and dangerous. Liquid iron, traveling at high speeds due to the extreme winds, would strike the surface with tremendous force, potentially causing significant damage to anything caught in its path. Winds that defy imagination. WASP-76b isn't just hot and rainy, it's also incredibly windy. The planet experiences violent winds that can reach speeds up to 5,400 miles per hour, 8,700 kilometers per hour. These winds are not only strong but also relentless, continuously blowing across the surface of the planet, driven by the intense heat on the day side and the cooler temperatures on the night side. The winds on WASP-76b are a result of the planet's extreme temperature gradient, where the constant battle between the scorching heat and freezing cold generates fierce wind currents. These winds whip across the planet with the force of a violent storm, creating a landscape that is anything but hospitable. Imagine gusts that are strong enough to reshape the surface, create massive waves in the atmosphere, and carry superheated materials across the planet's surface. These winds, coupled with the possibility of iron rain, make WASP-76b a planet no one would want to visit, even if they could. A glimpse into the future of exoplanet exploration. The discovery of exoplanets like WASP-76b is pushing the boundaries of what we thought was possible in the universe. The extreme conditions on these planets challenge our understanding of how life might exist beyond Earth. While WASP-76b is far too inhospitable for life as we know it, the study of such planets helps astronomers refine their search for habitable worlds. By examining the atmospheres, weather patterns, and compositions of distant exoplanets, scientists are learning more about the diversity of worlds that exist in the universe. The study of planets with iron rain and violent winds also raises exciting possibilities about the conditions that might exist on planets orbiting other stars. While Earth-like planets in the habitable zone where liquid water could exist remain the top targets for finding alien life, planets like WASP-76b offer a glimpse into the more extreme side of planetary systems. These discoveries make us reconsider what kinds of environments could support life, even if that life looks very different from what we're used to. Conclusion: a world of extremes. WASP-76b is a reminder of the extreme and varied conditions that exist across the universe. With iron rain and howling winds, this exoplanet demonstrates that the universe is full of planets that are truly alien, unlike anything we experience on Earth. While the conditions on WASP-76b are too extreme to support human life or any known form of life, its discovery brings us closer to understanding the dynamic and unpredictable nature of the cosmos. This exoplanet may not be the kind of world we could ever visit or inhabit, but it expands our imagination and encourages us to keep looking up, hoping to discover more about the extraordinary diversity of planets that exist beyond our own solar system. As technology advances and our search for new exoplanets continues, who knows what other science fiction-like worlds we may uncover next.